Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply lightning edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type edges and download this app from this developer. Open it and click on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, click OK Creative and close an app. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. You can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed and many other things. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, pick one of these sources like photos, select the photo, adjust it and click at the top right corner. Lastly, tap on Create. Then click on the theme that you created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Then set wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my edges, come on, were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the app. Oh. Okay. Click on this icon of home over here, scroll down, tap on the switcher next to enable overlay other app, click yes, and tap on the switcher next to allow display over other apps. Go back and tap on the switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!